Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm Robin.
And we have a as seen on TV product. It is Rust-oleum Wipe New Recolor. It is an older product.
Yes.
But we didn't have anything to wipe before, but now we do. And it's so funny because I saw this everywhere. I saw it at Walmart, Walgreens. I saw it at Publix, I think. And then Robin said, oh, we should do this. And then I looked for it and I was like, oh, I'll pick it up. Couldn't find it anywhere. Anywhere. Did find it on Amazon, and we were going to review this last week, but we started, I was like, this is really strong, and they opened it, found out
Strong smelling.
this had
That had leaked out
leaked
all in the
out
box.
everywhere. So I ordered another one.
Take two.
Yeah. So here's what it comes with. What is this stuff?
So it comes with a 2-ounce bottle of Recolor.
Yes. Check.
It comes with one Wipe It infused with Wipe New Recolor, which is the bonus. It comes with 3 microfiber application cloths. It also comes with 1 microfiber application sponge.
And-
One detail brush.
Uh-oh.
Right here.
Oh, there's a brush.
You see it?
There we go.
Which is like a sponge almost, not a brush. And 1 pair of nitrile gloves
Right here.
right there. So
what this is if your furniture or light, anything that has faded from the sun,
from being outdoors, it's weathered, sun.
that you're supposed to be able to wipe this on and it renews the color so you don't have to repaint it.
Right. No taping, no sanding, no disassembly. Even shutters do not have to be removed. It is safe for plastic, metal, stone, vinyl, fiberglass, rubber, composites, and more. Covers up to 100 square feet. You don't have to paint, it says. So we're gonna give it a whirl. We're gonna try it on
Plastic
hose
container.
pipe container. We're gonna use it on that. We have part of, this is the part of my mailbox. Metal. It's real faded from being in the sun. So we had to take, this is the number.
So I think that
Part.
the problem with this is you can't do it in direct sun.
Yeah, it cannot be hot
Not
when
be
you
hot.
apply it. So if you're gonna do your mailbox, you're
have
gonna
to
be
do
out
it
there
at night.
at sundown.
Right.
After the mailbox
And
is
make sure it doesn't rain for 24 hours.
24 hours. Yeah.
So you're kind of limited when
Unless you can take
use
your
it.
mailbox off and bring it into your garage. But
I mean,
whatever.
That would be, well, if you did the pole of the mailbox, depends on what you had.
So,
So we're in the garage where, I mean, it's cooled off. So,
ventilated.
Yeah.
It
Yes,
says, well,
ventilated.
we
Yes.
do it in a ventilated area, and it is. We can attest very strong smelling.
Yes,
so
it is.
very chemically.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Okay. I have my own nitrile gloves, Kathy.
Very nice. I will try it on the metal first, and we'll just use this.
Yeah, the white.
So it's important to wipe it off first
Yeah,
and get any debris off.
Yeah. All right. So I wonder if this rust part will come out too, or if it's just gonna make a. Because it does say Rust-oleum.
So we'll see.
We shall see.
It said even to open this package, make sure you have gloves on. Don't smell it.
Oh my gosh, that's really bad.
Oh God, I smell it too. Whew.
Oh my gosh! Woo! So it's like a cloth that they gave you, but it's just pre-soaked. Oh my gosh!
Oh wow, I should have a mask on. And it says you can do more than one coat, but I think you have to wait like 15 minutes. Oh, that's pretty good if it dries. I mean, the rust is still.
Right. This is our plastic hose pipe holder. Keeps it in. So, but this is out in the sun all the time, out in the elements and the weather. And of course, it just is faded. I'm sure it's a little bit dirty too, but it has been wiped down with a dry cloth just to remove any debris.
It is plastic.
It is plastic. And this is pretty saturated cloth. If it stays looking like this,
That's awesome.
yeah, then it's worth the smell. I would just need a mask from this point forward to do anything else. Oh, I should have left. Oh well. The sides are done, so. Ooh. So it says let it sit for what, 24 hours?
To completely, yeah, before it can get wet.
Oh, okay.
After you use your sample, you can just pour this, saturate your. All right, so now we're going to try the block. I'm going to use a little brush. I mean, it's pretty easy to use.
Right, but I just don't know if it's just because it's wet. Hang on. It's definitely more saturated on
The other one.
no on the cloth than the brush.
So I guess if you didn't want to get on the door, you could just tape it off, probably.
Now I did get it on the door, but it said no taping.
Oh. No taping necessary, right?
I think I've either gotten immune to the smell, or I'm just buzzing, and
Maybe.
I kind of like it now. I don't know.
Both gonna pass out in a minute.
Right? It's just almost not. I mean, I see I'm getting the door.
Right.
It's good for, but it's not as.
Said you can apply a second coat after 10 to 15 minutes. This one still looks pretty good.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, wow.
If it's staying that way,
Right.
that's amazing. Even with the rust spot.
Right.
So disclaimer, Kathy, is John has no idea that we are doing things like this at my home today.
Oh yeah.
So if anything gets ruined or
We will never hear the end of it.
if it's we'll never hear the end of it, but it's all your fault.
Oh, good. That's awesome. Okay, so it's been a week.
Exactly 1 week. Yes.
And yes, I'm wearing the same shirt.
Kathy doesn't change much.
So, Recolor. How has it? Because you put the hose container out back in the sun.
Yeah, it was 48 hours later. We had a lot of stuff going on 24 hours later. So everything stayed in the garage for 48 hours. I will tell you that by 4 hours later, the smell was completely gone out of the garage, like completely gone. And you didn't smell it at all. So we did it on Friday. So everything came back out on Sunday. And when I put everything out, I was very impressed with how things were looking.
Has it rained?
Yes, it has rained.
It did rain.
It did.
Okay, so that's good.
It rained all day long Monday, remember?
I don't know where I was.
Under a tunnel.
Yeah.
I mean, under a rock.
Rock.
Under a rock.
That's where I
Okay.
was.
So
let's see it.
okay, let's do it. So, got it right here. Like, some stuff, it's like, okay, it's too good to be true. It probably is. I'm not quite sure why this isn't, like, flying off the shelves.
Maybe it is. Maybe that's why I couldn't find it anymore.
Maybe, because so far, it is amazing. Okay, let's see it. So, the first is my mailbox number holder. And so I did it to here. How well? Yeah, you can clearly see. Like that is the new, and there is the old. I should have, if you can tell the difference between both sides. That's pretty amazing. Isn't that amazing?
Yes, it is. Just even, see how the rust, show the
Yeah.
rust on the other side. That it doesn't take it all, but it's a big improvement.
Yeah, absolutely. So, very, very impressed with that. I'm gonna have to
Let's move on.
go on a little field trip. Hey, we're over here now. All right, so here's the top of the hose holder.
Looks good.
It looks great. It looks brand new.
Yeah.
And so we didn't do this part, but look, I hit it right there,
Oh yeah.
and you can tell the difference. So now knowing that, I should have done halvesies, but oh well. But so now I should just clean it up and do the whole thing. Like I'm really impressed. And then
Let's see what it smells.
no smell, and it doesn't feel oily. It doesn't feel.
And it held up in the rain.
Yeah, held up all day rain.
Right.
And then so the third thing we did was the doorknob. Which, hello, that looks amazing. Look at that. Look how shiny.
brand new.
And it's been out in the weather, and so this one is a little dull, which I even said that so I may need another coat.
Right, because you were doing it with a little brush.
Right. So,
more saturated.
right. I think I did the brush on all of this,
Right.
then I came down and used so I'm going to come back and hit it, and I'm actually going to do my front door now.
Are you?
That I know that John's not going to disown us.
All right, so this stuff gets a thumbs up for me. I think it's amazing.
This stuff gets major thumbs up from me.
I think the only downside, the only con is that, say we wanted to do the mailbox.
Yeah.
We would have to, or my shutters I want to do, you have to make sure it's cloudy.
Or have to catch it right at sundown
Right.
when you know you have enough daylight hours to work, but it's not in the direct sunlight and not
rain.
hot. And it's not going to rain. But I mean, you can plan it. I mean, you can work it out. Because I do want to actually get out and do the whole mailbox and the post. The only negative for me is the smell.
Smell, right. I would definitely wear a mask next time.
And
Glasses.
if I'm doing it longer term, I would be wearing a mask. I did get a significant headache after.
Did you?
After.
See why.
So even we were in open ventilation. It was bad.
It's strong.
Very, very chemically. Yeah, it's 100% worth $20.
Yeah.
$20.
She's very little.
Yeah. So it's hard. That's what I was even telling John. It says it covers 100 square feet. I think that's hard for me to put, but they have to give you something, and so you have to think of a 100 square foot room but it's hard because when you're doing items, you're like, how? But yeah, it takes very little to do a great job. So I am going to get back out. I'm going to do my front door knob. I like to do the mailbox and post. I'd like to do the whole hose container and like kind of see.
So we did plastic and metal.
And plastic, metal, stone,
I don't understand why you
vinyl,
would do stone.
fiberglass, rubber, composites, and more. So I guess if you had, I don't know what it would do with stone.
I don't either.
I don't know.
But for plastic and metal, it's awesome.
And vinyl, I bet it would do really well on vinyl. I'm excited to finish what I want to finish, the project. I'm going to wait for it to get a little cooler before I get out with that. But I'm going to see how long this box lasts me here.
Right.
I mean, I just may go around just hitting
Should we go
everybody.
whole neighborhood?
I mean, everybody's mailbox might get finished.
Your mailbox?
You're getting a new mailbox. You're getting a new mailbox.
So thumbs up from
Big thumbs up.
Two
Yeah.
thumbs up.
So highly recommend. If you got some things, run out,
Yeah.
order it, do what you gotta do to find it. You need it. You need this in your life. You're welcome.
If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you've used it, comment below and let us know how it worked for you.
Absolutely.
So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe and the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.
Have a great day.
Bye.